Water gives you a warning. Milk gives you nothing. 2 seconds. Stove, floor, everywhere. You blamed the heat, turned it lower, did it again next week. Heat isn't the villain here. The proteins are. Boil clean water in a clean pot. It bubbles, it spits, it stays put. Bubbles need a skin to survive. Water can't build one. Milk can. Casein and whey wrap every single bubble in a stretchy protein film. So the bubbles stop popping. They stack. On top, a second problem. Protein, fat, and calcium dry into a real skin. Now the steam has a lid. Foam expands, skin holds, pressure climbs. Then the whole column goes over the edge at once. That's your 2 seconds. So, the wooden spoon across the pot. Everyone's grandmother swears by it. It sort of works. Not for the reason you were told. Dry wood is thirsty. It pulls the liquid out of every bubble that touches it until they burst. It's a sponge, not a shield, which means the second that spoon is wet, it's just a stick. You get about 30 seconds. Milk needs more than that. Fix one. Drop a small knob of butter straight into the milk. Fat spreads across the surface and tears the protein films apart. Foam collapses. Want proof? Skim milk foams best. Whole milk fights it. Baristas already know. Less fat, better foam. Same rule, opposite goal. Fix 2. Germany solved this with a glass disc. A Kochwachte, a milk watcher. It sits on the bottom, lets steam out steadily, and rattles when things get serious. Fix 3. Turning the burner off does almost nothing. A hot, heavy pan keeps cooking. Lift the pan, move it off the heat. Fix 4, and the easiest one, never fill past halfway. Foam triples. Give it somewhere to go that isn't your floor. Butter in, disc down, pan off the heat, half full, and stir once the moment the surface moves. That breaks the skin. Go make something.